I have tics every single day for almost a year. I never could explain this. It started around June 11, 2025. At first, it was small, but it didn't stop. And day after day, it got stronger. Before the tic, I feel something inside, like an itch or pressure or irritation. Um, I have to do it. I can't just ignore it. The clips you're about to see are only for visual explanation. I respect all the people show. I'm not comparing myself to them.
Enthalpy. Enthalpy. You think of enthalpy, you think of heat that's on the okay? Released. Okay? So whenever heat is released, that's going to increase.
I don't mind. It makes me feel less annoying. But no, that's wrong. When
Right. Happy birthday to you. Oh.
What you just saw is the closest way I can show what I experienced. It's not something I choose, it just happens. Every single day I deal with this. Sometimes it's harder than it looks. I'm still trying to understand it myself. But this is real, and this is my life right now. This is real.